So what we are going to do today is a headlight removal and replacement. We are going to put new headlights in this Q3. So what we need to do first is we need to disconnect the electrical connector first by pressing this tab and pulling it backwards. Electrical connector should unlock without any problem. So next we need to loosen three screws which all three of them are T30 and 1. I have already loosened them. 2 and the third one down there, this one. You don't have to remove it, but you just have to unscrew it 2 or 3 threads to make enough of space, and after that you have to push the headlight from behind and keep one hand in the front so that it doesn't fall off. So I'm putting phone aside and show you. And be aware of these two kind of locks or sliding locks which slide inside these notches which are under the headlight housing. And one more thing, I didn't tell you that why we are changing these headlights. As they are in okay condition, they are working perfectly fine, they are not even broken, so why are we changing them? So I'll try to, yeah, you can see that the polycarbonate lens has started to age and it isn't looking good, so that is the reason we are changing it. And yes, both of them are working fine. So this is how we change headlight on Q3.